What the heck was that?
Oh, that's just how we greet each other.
Interesting.
Nauseating is more like it. You're in for it now, Missy. Oh, Mother Little hates when animals walk in here off the street. When she sees this, she's gonna throw a fit.
Oh. Such a pretty little birdie.
Maybe it's just my friends she hates.
I found her.
Found me. He did more than that. He saved my life.
He did?
From a falcon.
What was that?
Stuart saved this little bird from a falcon.
A falcon? They are fierce creatures.
Well, why does the city have falcons? That shouldn't be allowed. Write a letter.
On the other hand, we have a hero here. Way to go, Stuart.
Hey, Dad.
What?
Silver lining.
It's a guy thing.
Is it? Isn't it nice that Stuart has a friend?
Well, I don't think Stuart thinks of her as a friend.
What do you mean?
I mean, he's smitten. He's infatuated. He's bedazzled.
Stuart?
Mm-hmm.
But he's a baby.
Well, boys start having crushes really young.
Frederick, did you have many crushes?
I'm still having one.